Hey guys, it's Wyatt here from Wyatt's Reviews, and what you see here, I just recently got at the flea market today. It's an Encon. I checked on top of the motor once I got it. It works well. It moves a good amount of air, and I really like it. It has a spotlight kit. I'll turn it off so you can see it. It's currently on medium speed. I'll take you over here to the wall switch. This is the light. There's the light. I'll turn the fan off. There you go. It's off. And I'll show you it on low. As you see, it moves a good amount of air. That's on low. Medium, which it was on. And high, it wobbles pretty bad. As you see, it wobbles pretty bad. And this is my wall control. We just added. Goes low or off, low, medium, high, off. Or you can go high, off, high, medium, low, off. But anyway, that's the light. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. More to come later.